is Lynn McAlister. I live on the North Shore in Auckland, and I'm 66 years old and feeling a heap younger than that.
When you first started coming to the clinic for some help from David Holden, would you like to describe when that was and the experiences you've had?
Probably the most relevant thing to how I'm feeling now is the program I started on November 2010. That's what David and I have been working on ever since then, and he tests me regularly, and that's what I am basing my program on and my lifestyle.
Right. And were you doing a Shake It weight loss program at the time?
I first started the program, it's a 6-week program, and I started every day with a protein shake, and I'm still continuing to do that.
Right. And did you lose the weight you wanted to at the time?
I did. I didn't have a lot of weight to lose, but I lost 5.5 kilos in that initial 6 weeks, and have kept that weight off ever since. But the main thing is I've actually changed shape with some of the other things that I've been advised to do and have been doing.
And I noticed you started wearing dresses.
I know, it's wonderful. I've never worn dresses in my life before, and the last few months I bought 4 dresses and just feel great in them. Just feel quite different to what I was feeling before, my trousers and tops.
You have changed a lot. Would you like to describe some of the other ways you might have changed? Your self-esteem seems a lot more, you seem a lot more confident and with a lot more self-esteem.
I do have a lot more confidence. I had a lot more confidence when I was younger, and as I got older recently, the last 5 years, I lost a lot of it. I was very tired. I see my grandchildren a lot and didn't enjoy it because I was tired, and that's one of the main reasons that I came to David and started this program just over a year ago, and now I have so much energy and I go to the gym and I just love that. I love the feeling that I have every morning when I wake up, and I just enjoy life and my family so much more.
So in relation to stress, did you feel you were a little bit stressed earlier in life?
Yes. I think the way the stress showed mainly with me before I came to David and started this program just over a year ago was extreme tiredness every day for 5 years. And I have a busy life, and I didn't have time to have a nana nap. But it really affected my life. Everything became very hard to do.
So did it make you moody, do you think? The consequence of stress?
The consequence of how I was feeling and not able to cope, particularly mainly not enjoying life, was the thing that made me irritable and moody, and probably at times not very pleasant to be around. I wasn't, as happy and joyful as I wanted to be. Yeah. And I am now.
Yeah. Now David does what's called VLA, a Vitality, Longevity and Anti-Aging program. Could you describe what he did with you and have you actually biologically lost, have you reduced your age biologically as a result?
I have. When I started I was on his test 72 years, and I'm now down to 65. And it's an ongoing thing as far as I'm concerned. I did the initial 6 weeks with the protein shakes and no carbohydrates, high protein, which gave me energy in itself. And David has tested me regularly every 4 weeks, or every week to start with, and then now a year later we're down to every 4 or 6 weeks. He repeats the test, and particularly today, it's just the best that it's ever been. So everybody's happy.
So even though you're getting older, chronologically, biologically you're getting younger, is that true?
That's true.
And one of the things we do at Global Health Clinics is we do therapeutic lifestyle programs. Has David been working on a therapeutic lifestyle program with you?
Yes, he's had quite a few conversations with me about changing my lifestyle and looking at what I'm doing to not be so busy and not be at everybody's beck and call, and to look after myself more, and ways to do that so that I feel I'm more important in the way I manage my life.
So you feel you're making much better decisions?
Much better decisions, and enjoying life more because of it. And I don't always have the grandchildren when their parents want me to, and consequently I'm just enjoying them more, and just all my friends and my home life and my husband, and just everything is so much better and stress-free.
Well, I'd like to say, Lynn, it's been a pleasure to work with you from a clinical perspective, because you're one of the people that really follows the programs we recommend, and it's been an absolute delight working with you. Thank you.
Thank you, John.